Welcome to my channel. Today's topic Maurya dynasty. All are previous year question. We have arranged most important question. It is just like a mock test. You have only 20 seconds. The most famous education center during the period of Mauryan was Vaishali, Taxila, Nalanda, Ujjaini. Your answer is Taxila. Let's see the next question. Who was the writer of Mudrarakhas? Vishakadatta, Ban, Kautilya, Kalhan. Your answer is Vishakadatta. What is the name of Megasthenes' book? Arthashastra, Purana, Rig Veda, Indica. Your answer is Indica. Language used in the inscription of Ashoka is Sanskrit, Apabhangsa, Prakrit, Hindi. Your answer is Prakrit. In how many categories did Megasthenes divide Indian society? 4, 6, 5, 7. Answer is 7. Which dynasty did rule over Magad after Nanda dynasty? Maurya, Gupta, Shunga, Kushan. Your answer is Maurya. Who among the following also had name Devnam Priyadarshi? Maurya King Ashok, Gautam Buddha, Maurya King Chandragupta Maurya, Bhagavan Mahavir. Your answer is Ashok. Which event brought about a profound change in Ashok's administrative policy? Third Buddhist Council, the Kalinga War, his embracing of Buddhism, his sending of missionaries to Ceylon. Answer is Kalinga War. Great Stoop at Sanchi is in Uttar Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The monk who influenced Ashok to embrace Buddhism was Vishnugupta, Brahmagupta, Upagupta, Brihadatta. Answer is Upagupta. Who among the following historical personalities of India is also known as Vishnugupta? Bilhan, Patanjali, Kalidas, Chanakya. Answer is Chanakya. Megasthenes was an envoy of which of the following kings? Seleucus, Darius, Alexander, Antonio. Answer is Seleucus. Which of the following was the oldest dynasty of India? मौर्य, कुषाण, गुप्त, कान्हा। Answer is Maurya. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes was particularly mentioned in Kautilya Arthashastra, Ashokan Edict, the Puran, Indica of Megasthenes. Indica of Megasthenes. Kautilya's Arthashastra is a book on economic relation, principle and practice of statecraft, foreign policy, duties of king. Principle and practice of statecraft. The valleys of Sindhu, Ganga and Jamuna were brought together for the first time under one political authority by Chandragupta Maurya, Ashok, Chandragupta II, Prithviraj Chauhan. Which one of the following places has no Ashokan edict? Girnar, Pataliputra, Kandhar, Topra. Answer is Pataliputra. Who among the following was appointed by Ashok to administer justice in his empire? Sarmana, Rajuka, Uparika, Kumar Amatya. Answer is Rajuka. Who of the following was contemporary of Alexander the Great? Bimbisara, Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Pushpamitra Shunga. Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. To which dynasty did Ashoka belong? Vardhana, Kushan, Maurya, Gupta. Answer is Maurya. Which rock edict of Ashoka provides a description of horror of Kalinga war? 13 rock edict, edict of Jogadha, 10 rock edict, Kalinga edict at Dhauli. Answer is 13 rock edict. A Buddhist council during the reign of Ashoka was held at A. Magad, B. Samastipur, C. Pataliputra, D. Rajgriha. Your answer is Pataliputra. Kautilya's Arthashastra deal with the aspect of political policies, economic life, religious life, social life. Answer is political policies. Chandragupta Maurya figures prominently in the book of Bhas, Vishakhadatta, Sudrak, Ashwaghosh. Answer is Vishakhadatta. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.